June 28, 2022. 1. Which global bloc launched a $600 billion United States dollars global infrastructure plan? A. BRICS, B. G7, C. G20, D. European Union. Correct answer, B. G7. Notes: US President Joe Biden and other G7 leaders relaunched the Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment at their annual gathering at Schloss Elmau in Germany. It aims to raise $600 billion United States dollars in private and public funds over 5 years to finance infrastructure in developing countries and counter China's Belt and Road project. The United States would mobilize $200 billion United States dollars in grants, federal funds and private investment over 5 years, while Europe will mobilize €300 billion. 2. Which is the most livable city in the world, as per the EIU Global Livability Index? A. London, B. Vienna, C. Copenhagen, D. Geneva. Correct answer, B. Vienna. Notes: The Economist Intelligence Unit (EIU) launched its annual ranking of the world's most livable cities Global Livability Index for 2022. 173 cities were ranked based on a range of criteria, including infrastructure, availability to green space, political stability, crime rates, and healthcare. Vienna, Austria, Copenhagen, Denmark, and Zurich, Switzerland, were the top 3 cities in the index. 3. When is the Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises (MSMEs) Day celebrated? A. June 18, B. June 21, C. June 27, D. June 30. Correct answer, C. June 27. Notes: June 27 is celebrated as the Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises (MSMEs) Day. The day is aimed at raising public awareness of the contribution of MSMEs to global economic growth and sustainable development. The United Nations General Assembly declared the day in the year 2017. According to the UN, formal and informal MSMEs account for 70% of the total employment and 50% of the GDP. Moreover, the sector makes up for 90% of all firms. 4. Which country has launched a solid-fueled rocket named Zuljan? A. Israel, B. Iran, C. Russia, D. North Korea. Correct answer, B. Iran. Notes: Iran has launched a solid-fueled rocket into space named Zuljan. It is a 25.5-meter-long rocket, capable of carrying a satellite of 220 kilograms. The satellites will gather data in low Earth orbit. Zuljan is named after the horse of Imam Hussein, the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad. 5. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog, after Amitabh Kant? A. Urjit Patel, B. Subhash Chandra Garg, C. Parameshwaran Iyer, D. Rajesh Bansal. Correct answer, C. Parameshwaran Iyer. Notes: Parameshwaran Iyer, a 1981 batch IAS officer of Uttar Pradesh cadre, has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog. He is also the former Secretary of the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, who led the government's Swachh Bharat mission. The new CEO succeeds Amitabh Kant, who retires on June 30 this year.